What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to web scrap using the Claude. So first thing, you need to know how it works. Claude can read, parse or extract structured data from any web content you paste into the chat. No Python, no Selenium, no setup required. Find the page you want to scrap. Like I have made a detailed output of it, like step by step. Find the page you want to scrap, copy the page content, paste into the Claude with a clear prompt, like here's the HTML from a job board, extract all job titles, company names, locations, and salaries into a clean table, ignore navigations and footer. Specify your output format, and then iterate and refine. There's one other thing that you guys can do. There's a plus icon where you guys can connect a connector. Just go ahead and click on add connector. Now, what we're going to search in, we're going to search by prospecting. Just wait a few seconds. Now, here you will see by prospecting. What it do, it turn your Claude agent into a prospecting platform. Find any company or professional right into your Claude. Gather contact information, roles, tech stack, business events, and all these things into one page. Just connect it and use it. It can give you 400 free connections for a single month, but it renews after every month, so you don't have to worry about that. Each connection costs you, if you are scrapping the data of one contact, it will cost you around 5 connections. So if you can roughly estimate it, you guys can get 50 out of it. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.